Our protagonist, Juyeon, was the one who defeated the Demon King in another world and became the hero who protected the continent's peace. He was happy to see the people of that world relieved, but he was even more glad that he could finally return to his original world. The god then spoke to him, praising him for doing a great job and for choosing to save the world once again. However, he responded that every time he saw her, it was always about choices. Due to the resets, he always had to start from scratch, which meant he had no choice at all. He then asked the god if she was really going to send him back to his original world this time, and she confirmed that she would. He reminded her that she had kidnapped a talented person from another dimension and made him work for 20 years. He then asked her if she wasn't going to give him any compensation, like letting him keep his memories or retain some magic. She told him that while he was there, time in his dimension had stopped, and that his time had remained the same, meaning he hadn't lost anything. He clenched his teeth in frustration, but all he could do was sigh and agree with her. He then told her to just hurry up and send him back. Yet, she assured him that compensation for the time and effort he spent there would surely be given, though, like before, he wouldn't remember it himself. The god then gave him a god's fragment and told him she would give him a piece of her power as a gift. Depending on his choices, the flow of the dimension would change, and the world would shift according to his will. This left him speechless for a moment. He asked her if she could at least give him a hint, but she simply replied, no. Irritated, he asked her why everything was always a no, and shouted at her to at least let him keep his memories of the continent. She only stared at him with a smile and pointed her huge finger at him. Then, she told him to go. Panicking, he tried to tell her to wait because he wasn't done talking. However, she didn't listen, and proceeded to send him to his original world, telling him to return to the place where his journey began, the world that would determine his fate. She informed him that she would continue to watch over his journey. As he fell through the space between worlds and felt his body slowly dissolving into the air, he tightly closed his eyes. Later, he woke up because of the bright light coming from his window and sat up, yawning in exhaustion. He wondered what was happening as he felt strangely refreshed.